In today's video, let's learn about combination of addition of 7. Why we need to learn combination of addition of 7? See the example, which is 5 plus 7 plus 6. 5 plus 7 is C. The upper bit whose value is 5 is already in use. So direct addition of 7 is not possible at one shred. Now let's check for the big friend addition of 7. The formula for big friend addition of 7 is plus 10 minus 3. Plus 10 for minus 3 at one shred we can't do minus 3 directly. So how we can solve this sum? In order to solve this sum, we have to use the formula for combination of addition of 7. So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I will be explain you in detail how and when we can use the combination of addition of 7. Let me first tell you what do you mean by combination. Combination is neither big friend nor small friend. So it is a combination of big friend and small friend, right? I have explained in detail in my previous video on the concept of combination. The video link is in my description box. Now I am going to write the formula for combination of addition of 7. Can you tell me what is the formula for big friend addition of 7, which is plus 7 is plus 10 minus 3. Now I will write this formula in the form of combination formula. So plus 7 is plus 10 minus 3 will be minus 5 plus 2. Here we got our formula for combination of addition of 7. Plus 7 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 2. We will use this formula in all of our examples. Let us apply this formula in the same example, which is 5 plus 7 plus 6. 5 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 2. Then we need to add 6. We can directly add 6 here. So answer here is 18. Next example, 7 plus 7 plus 9. 7 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 2. Then we need to add 9. For plus 9 we have to use big friend addition of 9, which is plus 10 minus 1. So answer here is 23. Next example, 5 plus 2 plus 7. 5 plus 2 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 2. So answer here is 14. Next example, 7 plus 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 2. Then we need to add 7 again. So plus 7 is plus 10 minus 3. Here I used big friend addition of 7. The answer here is 21. Next example is 9 minus 3 plus 7. 9 minus 3 we can do it directly. Then we need to add 7, which is plus 10 minus 5 plus 2. So answer here is 13. Next example, 8 plus 8 plus 7. 8 plus 8 is plus 10 minus 2 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 2. Answer here is 23. Next example is 69 minus 2 plus 7. 69 minus 2 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 2. Answer here is 74. Let us solve our last example, which is 30 plus 7 plus 7. 30 plus 7, then we need to add 7 again. So plus 7 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 2. Answer here is 44. Here we have solved all the examples based on the formula plus 7 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 2. If you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section below. I have attached one worksheet for you based on the same formula. You solve it. If you face any difficulties, please let me know. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos. Thank you everyone for watching.